So let me ask you a question. What if you could get paid from $1,000 to $2,000 daily on YouTube without investing a cent, without having ads in your videos, without affiliate marketing, without selling anything, and without filming the videos? You can start this today from any place in the world and completely for free, right after you finish watching this complete video to get the exact step-by-step on how you can set this up. Hello there, welcome to this new video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money with your YouTube channel. If you don't have a channel yet, in this video you're going to learn how to create your successful channel and how to make money on YouTube even if you're a beginner, in a complete new different way. But if you really want to create your successful online business and earn income from home, you must watch every second of this video. And also, if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a very special bonus that will allow you to make even more money the fastest way possible with this same making money online strategy. With that clear, let's start this tutorial. So as I mentioned before, with this strategy, you could be earning from $1,000 to $2,000 daily. Right now, we're here on Social Blade. And for those who don't know, Social Blade is a platform that allows us to know the performance of some channels, and it gives us estimates on their growth, on how much they're earning, among many other details. And it's a really great tool that I recommend you use. Right now, we're looking into the stats of a channel called Audio Library Music for Content Creators. And as you can see, Social Blade is telling us that this Audio Library YouTube channel is earning from almost $5,000 to over $77,000 every single month. And from experience, we know that the most accurate amount is right between these two estimates. So this Audio Library channel is really more closely making $45,000 every single month. So just by unloading some really easy to do videos that I will be showing how you can do them in the fastest way possible, they are earning almost $1 million every year. And they're doing this without touching a camera. You're definitely going to love this new strategy. And these are just amounts they are earning from ads revenue. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can earn money without the ads revenue and without having those 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours to be able to monetize your channel with YouTube ads. You'll be making much more money with the strategy that I'm about to show you. Now, let me show you what kind of videos this Audio Library channel is making. So this Audio Library channel is one of many channels that I have found that they're just uploading videos with free copyright music. So for those of you who don't know, this means that anyone that has the right to download this music to their computer by using their links from the channel. So it's as simple as that. They make a video with free copyright music and with just a simple background image, and they post it on YouTube, and they just get thousands and millions of views every single day, and that's how they make tons and tons of money with ad revenue. As you know, there are millions of creators that need copyright-free music for their projects every single day, and that's why this type of channels gets tons of views and will always be able to make money. And these videos are just made from one single image and someone else's song in the background, so they don't even have to make the music. It just can't get more simple than this. So you don't need any special editing skills, and you don't need to film anything. You don't need any lighting equipment. It's really simple. You just have to combine the audios with the background image. And I will be showing you the step-by-step on how you can do that completely for free. So first, what I'm going to show you is where you can get those free images for their different backgrounds. And after that, we will find the audio songs that we need to create the video. And after we have the video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with these videos without the ad revenue, without having those 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, without affiliate marketing, and without selling anything. So step number one is going to be finding those great cool images that go in the background of our videos. And one of the best resources to get them completely copyright free is at Unsplash.com. So you can come to Unsplash.com and you can search for all kinds of images, and every single image that is here on Splash, you can get it completely for free with no copyright issues, and you'll be able to monetize your videos without a problem. Okay, so let's go to the search bar and search for the kind of image that we would like to put in our video. If we come back to YouTube, we can see that this Audio Library just uses any kind of cool image that suits best the song that goes along with it. So for our example, let's try with night. Let's try nightlife. So you see we got over 67,000 really cool high quality nightlife pictures. For example, I would like to download this one. And to download the picture, The only thing that you have to do is click on this pointing down arrow button in the bottom right corner of the picture. And this way the image will be automatically downloaded into your computer. Now, in case you don't find anything you like on this website, I have another website which is called pexels.com. So you can come to pexels.com and you can also find here the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. So pexels.com is full of free copyright videos and free copyright images which you can use in your videos and monetize them without any strike issue. So let's try here and search for night again. So pexels.com just gave us over 4,000 pictures of night. And when you find a picture that you like, you can also move your mouse over the picture and you'll get that button with the pointing down arrow icon, which you can click on to download this picture automatically into your computer. And if you can't get enough of these great pictures, then let me share with you a third platform where you can also get millions of copyright free images and videos completely monetizable. And this platform is pixabay.com, and you can type in any keyword that you like. And let's try again with the night one. So let's search for night pictures, and you see we got over 29,000 free images. And when you find the one that you like, let's say for example this one, you just click over the image and it will open a new page, and you just find this free download green button and you click on it and just pick the default resolution, click on download, and then check this I am not a robot. Now you can just pass this I'm not a robot test, click verify, and there you go. You will now be able to click on the green download button, and this way this image is downloaded to your computer. So once you have the images that you like, we can jump now into step number 2, which is going to be finding the free copyright music that we can use in our videos. And to find those free copyright tracks, we can first off go to our best business partner, which is Google. And in Google, we can search for the YouTube audio library. So now we can click on the first Google result that we got. And this takes us to the official audio library from YouTube. Now this audio library has thousands of free copyright music and free copyright sound effects that you can use on your videos without any copyright issue, because it's directly provided by YouTube. And if you click on any one of the songs, you can see that it says you're free to use this song in any of your videos. So you can use any of these songs to monetize your videos with Google Ads, as well as with this next method that I'm about to show you. Now on the top, you can see that we have different filter options. You can select the genre, the mood, the instrument, the duration, the attribution, and you can even search for different keywords with this search bar option. And if you want to listen to any of these songs, you just click on the play icon. You can even jumpstart ahead of the track. And you can pause it. Now, if you like the song, you can just click on this arrow pointing down icon and it will automatically be downloaded into your computer. So you can download all of the songs that you want from this YouTube audio library, and as you can see here, they upload new songs every single day, so you will never run out of content for your channel. So this is how you find and use the songs that you need to monetize each and every one of your videos without any legal issue. And now that we have the background images and the songs that go along with them, we just need to combine these two things into a video. So we can then upload it to our YouTube channel, and after that you will get details on how you can make money with these videos in a completely new way that's not affiliate marketing, that's not CPA marketing, and that's not Google AdSense. But before that, let's jump into the third step of this tutorial, which is actually making the video by combining the image with the song. Now for this part, you can use your favorite video editor, and if you don't have one, you can use iMovie if you have a Mac, or you can use OpenShot, which is a completely free software and it works on Linux, Apple, and Windows. But there is an even simpler way in which you can make these great videos in much less time. And real quick before we get into this, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up to help out with the YouTube algorithm. So this is the easiest part of all this process, making the video. So you can come to musicvid.org and you will land on this page, which is an online app that will actually create the video for you in just a couple of seconds. Because basically what you will be doing here is just copy and pasting what you've already downloaded, which is the background image and the music track for each video. musicvid.org offers you different type of projects that you can select from to create your music video, and you can choose any of this completely for free. So you can choose the predefined project that you like the most. So for this example, let's go with this one. So you can just click on the project you like to start the creation process. Another great thing about this online platform is that you don't have to create an account to actually create the videos, and this makes the process even easier. Now it is asking us to load the audio file, so we can choose load file from computer to select the music file that we just downloaded. Now we choose the file from our computer and click open. So you see down here the audio file has been loaded, and on the right part of the screen you can see that MusicVid has already created the video for you by assigning an animation and a background image. We can preview the video by clicking on the play button. So you see that with just a couple of clicks, you have now a really professional and high quality music video for your channel. And this took us less than 10 seconds. And if you like, you can download it as it is and use it on your YouTube channel. Or you can try giving it a more personal touch by changing some or all of the effects with the options that we have on the left side. So let's start by changing the background image. We come to the left side panel and click on background. Now we click on the change background image option, and then we click on load file from computer. Now we just select one of the pictures that we previously downloaded. We select the file and click open. Now as you see here, the video has been updated with our new background image. Now as you can see, you can change different things about the background image. For example, there is a mirror effect that is set to left half. This means that the image has been cut by half as a mirror on the right side. And you can change this setting by selecting whole, so it's the complete image, or you can choose to reflect the right side of the image, or you can just choose not to have any mirror effect and use the image as it is. I will leave it on left half. So now let's see how our video is going, and click on play. So you see it's looking really cool. And you can also change these dots, or what they call particles. You can click on this particles menu. You can drag this to change the number of particles that go on in the video. You can also change the color of the particles by clicking on this hex option. Let's make them red. And now you can also change the speed of the particles, make them go faster or slower. And we can also change, for example, the size, make them smaller or bigger. And this is how it's looking right now. Let's try to lower the volume a little bit. Another thing you can change is the effects that are going on in the middle of the screen, and also you can change the center image. You can do that by coming to the spectrum option. So you can select the spectrum type, it's on fill, or you can change it to strokes, which basically are just different color lines. Let's go back to fill, and you can just play around with all of these other effects that are available for the spectrum. Now if you want to change the center image, you come to emblem, and you can choose to make it visible or not by clicking on this check mark. And best of all, you can change this image by clicking on this change image option. Now you can load a different image from your computer, so you can create your channel logo and load it up in the middle of the screens like these channels have done, which looks really cool. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. So now when you're happy with the results, you can come into settings and select the quality of the video. So you can click on render settings, and for size you can select 1280 per 720, which is a good quality, or you can select the highest quality, which is 1920 per 1080. You can choose either one of these, but remember that if you choose the highest quality, it will take longer to render the video. So I'm going to go with the middle option, which is the size for all high definition or HD videos. Now to get the video, we can click on export, and then we click on start encoding. Now you can see we have an attribution notice, and it says adding the attribution below is appreciated but not required for this project. So you don't even have to give credits to musicvid.org for the video that you just created. You can choose to paste this inside of your description, or you can choose not to. And finally, to get your video rendered, you can click on export. And so right now, MusicBit is exporting your video, and it's going to show you the estimated time to do it and the percentage. And once you got the video downloaded into your computer, you can just upload it to your YouTube channel. And you just got a really professional, high quality video in less than 30 seconds. Now let's see how we can make money off that. So to start with the best part of this tutorial, let's come back to YouTube and take a look at the videos that these guys are making. As you see here, all of the videos have the free download link option in the description of the video. These are links that people can click on to download the featured music file. But actually, these guys are leaving a lot of money on the table because they're not making a cent from these download links. And they barely made $3 per 1,000 views from the ad revenue. But I will show you how you can earn from $7 to over $20 per 1,000 clicks of these free download links. And what you're going to be doing is placing your special download link at the top of the description of each of your videos, so every person that comes into these videos will want to download the audio file from your special download link. So in order to get your special link that will allow you to earn from $7 per 1,000 downloads, you must first come to the website file-upload.com, which is a free cloud storage for your data that allows you to upload your file for free, but it also pays you whenever someone downloads those files. So we come back to the top, you can click on Make Money to see all of the related questions on how much and how you can make money by uploading those files for free and getting people to download them. If we scroll down a little, you can see that file upload pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads, depend on the downloader location. So now, to start making money with this platform, you can come back to the main page by clicking on the logo icon and then click on the Start Uploading Files Now button. So you can choose to upload a file and click on this folder icon button to choose the file from your computer. Now you choose the audio file that corresponds to the video, select the file and click Open. Now if you like, you can give it a description. For example, you can write the name of the song, which is Regret, so let's copy and paste it here and click on a Start Upload button. So this will take a couple of minutes, and this is how your download link will look like. So this is what you're going to paste inside of the description of your video, and for every 1,000 clicks on this download link, you will get paid up to $7. So you can actually include more free download links inside of the description of your videos to multiply those earnings. You can simply link 2 more music from the same artist. So you can start implementing this method, and my recommendation is that you upload at least 5 videos per day. As I showed you before, you can make those videos in less than 10 minutes, and then you can start collecting money from day one. But the most important thing is for you to take action and be consistent with the uploads. And so now it is time to take action and create your YouTube channel. So click and watch this next video to discover how to start a YouTube channel for beginners and make money fast. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.